Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the blue corner, weighing 111 pounds, from Iligan City, he has a record of 6 wins, 1 by KO, and 1 loss. Dale Desierto. His opponent in the red corner, weighing 110 pounds, from Malabon, Metro Manila. He has a record of 3 wins and no loss. Hindi pa siya natatalo. Manny Pacquiao. Judges, Mr. Flores, Mr. Villacampa, Mr. Larsam. Referee, Benz Peñafiel. 6 rounds of professional boxing.
Okay, this is a 6th rounder between Pacquiao from Iligan City, Dele Desierto. He's from Iligan City. Some of the boxers of Iligan City have made their appearances here in blow by blow over the past few months. And Manuel Pacquiao.
Magandang laban ito. Ito kasi si Manny Pacquiao, 18 years old. Wala pa pong talo yan. Pacquiao po ang lahat ng mga laban niya. Pinapacquiao niya. Kanya ang pangalan po niya Pacquiao.
3 wins.
Aha. Etong si Manny Pacquiao, lahat po ng kanyang panalo de puntos. He turned pro in January of 1995. Galing po siya sa General Santos City, a breeder of world champions.
Alright.
Ito naman po si Dele Desierto with a record of 6 wins, 1 loss, and 1 knockout. He turned pro in July of last year, and in his first fight, na-knockout po siya. But after that, ito si Dele Desierto, sunod-sunod po ang kanyang panalo. 6 na sunod na panalo. Ito si Dele Desierto, kanya po ang record niya ay 6-1 after suffering his his only loss in his professional debut.
Okay, maganda ito. Dalawang lefties, pareho silang kaliwete.
Aha.
So, this is going to be a good fight. Both of them very familiar with their styles. Walang opposing styles, kundi kaliwete sila pareho. So, let's see kung alin ang na-develop nilang mga punches because they're still young in their careers.
Well, partner, ito si Pacquiao he's holding his arms too low. He's exposing his face.
That's right, in the very first round.
Oo, at saka si Desierto, medyo maganda-ganda ang kanyang right jab.
Yes.
Medyo malutong.
Medyo baka masingitan ng left hook ito. Well, anyway, this is only the first round. Let's see kung how each of the fighters will be able to take advantage. Pero maganda rin ito. This is, another, dito pa rin tayo sa flyweight division. This is now a 6th rounder. Tingnan natin kung how these boxers will acquit themselves this time. Medyo malakas. Ilang 3 wins si Pacquiao. No KO pa, no, Kinito?
Aha.
Is just
ito
won
si Pacquiao,
3, yes.
Wala pang nananakaw dito si Pacquiao.
Desierto was
Pinapacquiao
one
niya mga kalaban niya.
3-0. 3-0 siya.
Oops!
Oh, that's a good
Tinamaan po si Pacquiao.
Yun na nga. Medyo that snapped his head back.
Yes, and Desierto's fighting out of that jab, which is setting up his big left hand. Magandang forma nito ni Desierto
Yes.
because his punches are short and chopping. Nice blows being thrown here by Dele Desierto.
Malakas din bumigay ito si
Pacquiao. Sa katawan na naman ang atake ni Pacquiao.
This is a good match.
Yes, and he has been able to stop Desierto from punching. I think Desierto's feeling the sting of those body punches.
Well, he was able to connect some strong ones.
Yes, and Pacquiao is now aiming towards the head. May lakas din ito si Pacquiao. Let's not sell him short, mga kaibigan, despite the fact na ito si Pacquiao wala pang knockout sa kanyang record.
Okay, that's the end of the first round. Very impressive.
Magandang laban.
Yes. Look at the crowd here in the Mandaluyong Sports Complex. Dito po sa Mandaluyong City, punong-puno na po kami ngayon.
Partner, baka pwede na natin sabihin dito that boxing has definitely come back in a big way.
Yes,
dito
definitely.
po sa ating bayan. Now we've had some downs, gaya po nung nangyari nung lumaban si Morris East kay
That is
Robert
a black
Azuma.
mark.
Oo, pero after that, mga kaibigan, it looks like we still have enough talent in our pro ranks to sustain the interest. Ito po si Pacquiao, now on
That's
the
right.
attack. Wow!
Pacquiao on the attack, na solid po niya kanina si Desierto.
Desierto also fighting back, but
And,
Desierto now aiming at the midsection of Pacquiao.
Ayun, left. Dalawang sunod. Natamaan si Desierto, but he was able to come back. He is trying to come back.
And again, a combination from Pacquiao, and he sends Desierto reading against the ropes. Desierto is back in the corner. He's
That's
trapped.
right.
Desierto fighting out of the corner.
That's right. He was able to, he didn't stop fighting. Dahil he was stunned there.
Yes.
He was not hurt so much. He was able to fight back.
Well, Pacquiao is using that right hand now as a measuring device, but he has been able to connect with his left.
Yes.
Desierto also connected that time.
With an uppercut. Maganda. Fast and furious action from both these youngsters. And there's
Once
another
more,
left.
yes, a left to the
Desierto's
jaw of
face.
Desierto.
Yeah. All right,
Yes,
this time.
yes.
Desierto doesn't know how to take a punch. He doesn't fall into his own opponent. He doesn't clinch. He doesn't cover up.
Well, Pacquiao has been able to really pinpoint his target here in this round.
That's right. And Desierto trying to come back to score on his own. Medyo nanghina ng konti, no? Talagang ininda niya po yung dalawa, tatlong solid punches na tinamaan. Na tumama sa kanya. The crowd egging on Pacquiao.
Enjoying the action now.
That's
Pacquiao
right.
has been able to land that left repeatedly. Kasi bumababa yung kanan ng kamay ni Desierto. Kanya,
Maganda so far ang timing
Oo.
ni Pacquiao.
Oh, very, very well timed yung kanyang kaliwa. Although Desierto that time connected with a nice right hand.
Good fight between these two boxers. Maganda. Sabayan, palitan.
Actually, may parang masamang bisyo ito si Pacquiao because he has a tendency to bring down his right arm. Pero ito si Desierto has not been able to take advantage of that. He should score with a left hook. Oy!
Umatras, umayaw.
Umayaw!
Presenting in the blue corner, weighing 108 pounds. He has a record 4 wins, 1 by KO, and no loss. He was born in General Santos City, now residing in Malabon, Metro Manila. Manny Pacquiao. His opponent, featuring in the red corner, weighing 107 pounds. He was born in Ormoc, Leyte. He has a record of 4 wins, 2 by KO, 1 loss, and 1 draw. From Pasig City, Metro Manila, Flash Simbahon. Judges, Captain Nonico Ramon Flores, Alex Villacampa. Referee, Vince Peñafiel.
Well, another...
6 rounds of professional boxing.
All right, another 6-rounder here, 108 pounds. Simbahon in red, Pacquiao in white.
Ito si Manny Pacquiao, Romy, mahilig ito sa Pacquiao. At hindi pa kasi natatalo. Kanya lahat ng mga laban niya, Pacquiao.
Okay,
Palaging
good shot.
nananalo. He has a record, kagaya ng sinabi ng ating kaibigan, si Bobby Mondejar. 4-0 po ang record niya.
Very good.
4 wins, no loss, and 1 knockout. Manny Pacquiao coming off a second-round stoppage of Dele Desierto. That was last July 1st. Dito po sa Mandaluyong, ginanap yung laban na yun. Now, Flash Simbahon, age 22. Pacquiao, incidentally, is 18, a teenager. Flash Simbahon from Ormoc, Leyte, has a record of 4-1-1 with 2 knockouts. Also an outstanding record.
Very good.
Flash Simbahon
Should have a
versus
good
Pacquiao.
fight here.
Yes. Pacquiao is in white. Hails from General Santos City. Marami kang kaibigan nyo sa General
Navarrete.
Santos, Romy?
Navarrete country.
Mga kaibigan natin, sina Romy, sina Rolando Navarrete.
And somebody who greeted me, si Joey and Ayes de la Cruz. Hello. Mayang gabi.
Okay,
the
and,
Jangas.
Also the kind mayor of General Santos City, si Mayor Nunez.
Okay. Ang tanong nga pala ng mga fans sa probinsya, isa sa mga tanong nila, ganun ka raw ba katangkad? Bakit daw parang maliit na maliit ako? Tapos sabi ko, 5'6 ako eh. 5'11 si Kinito, tama lang yun. Sabi, para ka yung nakatingala. Sabi ko, hindi, nakatingala ako po naka-interview ako ng mga imports. Ngayon, sabihin ko naman sa'yo, mas maganda si Kinito kaysa sa mga imports. That's really true, huh? And I would like to thank them. By the way, some of our new friends in the South, like Rudy Diego, Guido Ortiz, and some of those, medyo hindi ko na naalala ngayon, pero kumusta na lang kayong lahat dyan, bay, ha? May gabi kanyang tanan.
Nagkakatitigan itong dalawa dito sa gitna ng ring. Simbahon looking very wiry, a very lean frame. This is scheduled for 6 rounds.
Right, and well, both of them looking good. And this should be a good fight because they have magandang mga records nila.
Yes.
Magandang mga records, ha?
Well, Pacquiao is very, very young. He's only 18 years old. And Flash Simbahon looks like he has more studied moves. Sa nakikita natin, no? Mas magandang, mas polished ang style nito ni Simbahon.
Yes, definitely. He has the better style.
Uy, nakatama si Pacquiao noon. Nice right hand lead followed up with the left. Backing up Simbahon.
Pero yung left kanina hindi masyadong matindi din. Parang tulak lang yun eh.
Nice uppercut by Pacquiao.
Hey, good exchanges. In the first round, good exchanges lalo na sa mga atake nila sa katawan, yung dukutan. Yan ang mga matitindi eh, which will pay dividends of course in the latter rounds.
Now, southpaw ito si Pacquiao. And look at that,
of course.
Oo.
Kaya
tsaka mahilig magdasal ito si Simbahon.
yes, simba na simba.
Oo. Kanya yung mga suntok ni Simbahon, may kasamang dasal yun.
Masakit yun pag dumating. Okay. Yo, that's part of the crowd here at Mandaluyong Sports Complex. Tinan po ninyo, punong-puno. Both, all of them enjoying these bouts. Lahat po ng mga 4-rounders kanina. Ngayon naman 6-rounders tayo. And this is the second round of this fight among flyweights. Flash Simbahon, of course, in red. Manny Pacquiao in white. Here we go. Mga bata pa ito, well, they have had good fights. And on the positive side, mga winners po ito. Kaya we should have another good fight.
Simbahon scoring with the left that rocked the head of Manny Pacquiao from close range. Now Pacquiao in white. Simbahon trying to beat Pacquiao to the punch and looks like he has been successful so far.
Yes.
Although ito si Pacquiao is more aggressive, he looks like he wants to throw those power bombs.
It's a good upper kanina that missed. May power din ito si Pacquiao eh.
Oo, may power nga eh. And although ito si Simbahon has more style, no? Mas magandang forma ni Simbahon.
Pati magbigay, magbitiw.
Oo. Now let's see whether he can withstand the power of Pacquiao.
Good fight. Infighting in the early rounds, very good. Mamaya magsiswitch yan. Ayun, pareho silang headhunting sabay.
And Simbahon scoring that time, but doesn't look like Simbahon can really hurt Pacquiao. He's been able to connect with some nice left and right hand shots.
Yes.
Pacquiao is not backing off.
Itong upper at saka mga hooks ni Pacquiao, matitindi ito.
Pacquiao is a dangerous puncher. Now Simbahon, when the opportunity presents itself, you notice he attacks the midsection.
Well, Simbahon has been able to connect there sa bodega. Talagang concentrated ang attack niya dyan muna. Sometimes he switches to the head, but more or less for the last 2 rounds he has been concentrating. Oh, maganda yung score ni Pacquiao.
Scored that time with a nice left. And again Simbahon going to downstairs.
Simbahon panay upper, panay hook. Ayun.
Simbahon has a lot of those short chopping blows.
Yes, and Pacquiao also scoring. Oh, that's a good upper.
Yes, it looks like Simbahon is hurt. He's holding on. Pacquiao connecting from close range.
He's about to go down. His knees have weakened.
Pacquiao again connecting from long range.
We were just talking about Pacquiao's uppercut. At tumama po, solid sa chin.
But Simbahon is coming back
nayanig si Simbahon doon. Hindi lang nasundan ng gusto. Siya
And
naman, nakascore na yun.
Scoring from outside. Ito si Simbahon. Medyo napagod yata ito si Pacquiao.
Oh, good shot. Ganda yung mga shots ni Pacquiao. Matindi ang dating. And this is only the second round. Oh, this is going to be a humdinger.
Well, so far in our card, we have not seen a knockdown or a knockout.
Some slow-mo action in round 2. Ito yung, ayun, umiscore ng husto rito si Pacquiao. Ayun, umiscore. Yung upper, yun ang sinabi ko kanina na matindi eh.
And Simbahon was holding on, if you notice.
There, another right, but he was,
punch
yes, he was
thrown
able
by
to weather
Pacquiao.
the attack. Anyway, this is round 3. Let's see if Pacquiao can follow up on that advantage of his.
Nagrogi dun si Simbahon in
Oh,
the
yes.
previous round.
Definitely, his knees buckled.
A clash of heads there, and Peñafiel
Yes, a referee.
admonishing both fighters. Pacquiao closing in on Simbahon, missing that time, and Simbahon countering.
Well, Simbahon was able to score. Masama ang timing ni Pacquiao, no?
Oo.
So it better cool down at set his pace. Hindi yung mga ganyan, sayang. Oh. Eh, walang tama eh. Masama ang timing niya.
And he's expending a lot of energy.
That's right. Although those are power shots, pero
If he misses,
Oo. Malaking bagay sa kanyang stamina yung mga miss na ganun eh. Ultimately, it will be to his disadvantage.
that's right. And since we're scheduled for 6, we're
Yan na
only
nga.
in round number 3.
Timing. He should, bakit dapat pagsabihin sa timing?
Well, Simbahon is making a miss, and Simbahon coming back with a nice right-hand shot.
Well, kung better, you know, now that Pacquiao is closing in, that's a better posture. Rather than yung magwa 1-2 siya sa malalayo, dyan na lang, o yung mga ganun. Malayo, dyan na lang siya, dumikit na lang siya, mas maganda yung ibigay niya sa katawan. Well, the seconds are saying lawas, pareho sa kanilang lawas. Body attack, both of them asking for body attacks. Nothing.
Medyo pigil na yung mga suntok niya.
Nothing yet, yes.
Ni Simbahon. And Pacquiao connecting.
Although not as solidly, kahit nag-grazing, yun, at least tumama din, pumuntos. That's a good left. Iyon na naman yung malalayo eh.
Yes. Pacquiao sometimes wild with his blows.
Good right by Simbahon. Okay, let's go to Simbahon's corner. Natin kung
Ang galaw, yung wala kang tama-tama. Wala ka kung gano'n. Yung round na. King, 2 rounds ka, King. Wala ka tayong round, King. Ha? Wala ka tayong round. Ha? King, una ka ng una. Wala ka tayong round, King. Ha? Una, sasabayan mo. Una ka. Pero pagtapos nito, balik ka dito sa pwesto. Balik sa pwesto. Wala sa lawas. Dito sa lawas. Tapos ito, balik sa pwesto. Una ka kagad, sabay mo. Ha? Nga.
There's slow-mo. At sabi po, well, narinig naman natin, sabi ng seconds ni Simbahon, 4th round na, wala pa tayo. 4th round, wala pa tayo isang round.
Very discouraging. Yung sinasabi ng trainer.
Huwag kang maghintay. Huwag kang maghintay, unahan mo.
Sabi
Huwag
kasi
kang
Simbahan,
maghintay.
wala pa tayong round.
Oh,
Dapat gumawa ka ng mga yun. Well, it could
But
also
if
be
there
a
are only
psychological
yes.
move, no, on the part of the trainer.
There are only 3 rounds left, so
Oo.
they want him to win all of them.
Well, yes, and they're trying to wake him up. But I think Simbahon must be feeling the effects of the hard blows of,
Yes,
of
definitely.
Pacquiao.
Yes.
Because during that round,
Pacquiao also gaining more confidence.
oo.
Kinito.
Tsaka si Simbahon during that timeout, narinig ko, he asked, ano ba round tayo?
Oh,
So he's lost track of the rounds. That's not a good sign.
and well, as the trainer himself declared, wala pa silang round. And
Ayan na.
it's the 4th round coming up. At ito, Pacquiao continues to
Yes.
score.
And Pacquiao seems to even get stronger as the rounds go on.
Nawala na pati timing ni Simbahon. He used to be very aggressive in rounds 1 and 2. He initiated exchanges sa loob, pero wala. Ngayon, he's not... Ayan, sige, pero paminsan-minsan na lang siya kung bumitiw.
Well, Pacquiao is now dictating. Oh, that time, nice right hand
Yes,
by
bumabawi.
Simbahon.
He scored
Nakabawi
with
siya
the
doon.
left and right there.
Scored
Another
another right.
Well, he was able to score there.
Simbahon is spot shooting. At nakakatama si Simbahon.
Well, the corner of Simbahon is alive. And they're clapping, and they want him to keep on.
Oh, 1-2-3 combination by Pacquiao.
Well, Simbahon stopped for a while. He's got to keep on because his seconds say, wag mo siyang hintayin, mauna ka.
At sinasabi din nila, sabayan niya
Yes.
si Pacquiao.
Yes. That's the only way because he's behind.
Pacquiao again landing a perfect left-hand shot.
Okay, in the final minute of this round 4, he slipped. Hindi naman masyadong matindi yung umabot. Talaga napaatras lang po. Basa kasi yung lugar na yun. Pacquiao scoring.
And take a look at the trainer, a worried
The
look.
second, yes, the worried look of the second of Simbahon. Solid na naman. Ito. Well,
Now remember, Manny Pacquiao still undefeated with a record of 4 wins and no loss. Ito naman po si Simbahon has lost once in 6 outings.
all right. Okay, a slow-mo action here with Simbahon trying to come back, of course. That's the 4th round. And he did score in that round, but let's see if he will be able to sustain a comeback attempt.
Alam mo, Romy, mahirap na magsalita kung whom we think is ahead at this point. At nasunog tayo dun sa
No
second
way.
fight
That's
natin.
why, ilang beses na tayo nasunog dito because that's why I always I always have a disclaimer that the judges may not agree with our perceptions.
Oo.
And pero that was scandalous naman yung kanina. Sobra naman yun.
Well,
Anyway,
I checked the scorecards at
the guy
the
was about
margins weren't close.
the
We're not
guy
even
was
close.
about actually the guy was about to give up after the 4th round.
Oh.
The crowd saw that. But anyway, let's go back to our fight at hand. The Simbahon has to come back. The young boy in red.
Simbahon is now gaining some lost ground.
Yes, he has to come back because this is the last 2 rounds.
Well, Simbahon, as we mentioned earlier, has more polish in his style. But I think he might have been intimidated in the early going by Pacquiao.
He has started to run out of steam also. Yan ang tsaka mas matindi kasi ang bigay ni Pacquiao. Marami nang tinanggap si Simbahon.
Oh, nice close-up there by our cameraman on Pacquiao. Looks like there's a cut on the cheek of Manny Pacquiao. If not a cut, just a swelling.
It's a mouse, yes.
A swelling underneath the left eye of Manny Pacquiao.
It's developing into a bad mouse. Let's see, but there are only 2 rounds. Hey, that's a good shot by Simbahon.
And Simbahon dislodged a little bit the mouthpiece of Pacquiao, and Pacquiao covering up.
That's
And
another
Simbahon,
right.
yes, connecting once more.
Simbahon had better come back. More.
Oh, Simbaon has been able to connect rather accurately here, but
Well,
Pacquiao,
Pacquiao was able to come back. He's
Yes.
coming back now. Oh, low blow.
Pacquiao is asking for a few seconds,
Well, he has 5 minutes.
but I think he also wants to clear the cobwebs in his head. And Pench Peñafiel is telling Simbaon to go back to his corner, or to that neutral corner. Okay, action will resume.
Yes. Oh, pareho sila score. This is the penultimate round, by the way. So let's see who wins out. Although we are definitely not coming out with our choice.
Well, Simbaon, figuring that he's behind on points, really has had to stage a mighty uprising here.
Yes, here and in the last round, he has to keep on fighting.
Well, he's looking to turn the tables on Manny Pacquiao.
Yes, he has to win this and the last round. Anyway, he's trying his best. Okay, that is slam bang 5th round. Let's see if Simbaon can keep it up in the final 6th round. Okay, a slow-mo of that exciting action in the 5th round. Here we go. Simbaon scoring
yes.
with a straight right.
Beautiful right.
Another straight. Tatlo yata yung na-score niya dyan eh.
And Pacquiao definitely bewildered in that
That's right.
exchange.
After the
As
3
he
good
sought,
shots.
yes, he sought refuge there in the neutral corner.
Okay, the last round. Let's see. Ito, bakbakan na pareho, sabayan.
Wala na, no holds barred na to.
Talagang patay kung patay.
No
Ikaw o
quarters
ako.
given or taken.
Yes, ikaw o ako. Pacquiao slipped in his own corner.
Simbaon connecting with a short punch, and there's Pacquiao. Ooh.
Yes, coming back with his own combination.
Yes, that was a nice barrage.
A straight right again by Simbaon. Sayang yun hindi nasundan. Okay,
Pacquiao
1-2
off the ropes.
to Simbaon.
Off the ropes, Pacquiao connecting that time.
Simbaon.
Pacquiao looks like he's gotten his second wind. He's back
Yes.
on his toes.
Pacquiao out to Pacquiao him. Yes, his opponent, as you said, he's throwing leather, hard leather. And Simbaon, well, nasasaktan siya siyempre at marami na.
Oh!
It's a good left straight.
There's a combination there. Oh, but
Oh,
look
hindi
at
sinundan.
Simbaon
Ayun.
fighting
Jab.
hard. Simbaon just came right back.
Yes, but he
after
was
absorbing the
stunned by
combination.
two.
Yes, he was stunned. Definitely stunned by Pacquiao.
Oh, Pacquiao scoring.
Pacquiao looking for a strong finish
Oh,
here.
another left.
Yes,
Another
Pacquiao.
combination by Pacquiao. He better not stop. Take advantage while medyo hilo ng konti. Ayun.
Simbaon has stopped punching. Manny Pacquiao looking to protect his unblemished record
Right.
of 4 wins and no loss.
Right.
Simbaon,
Oh, good scoring.
catching another combination
Yes.
from Pacquiao
1-2.
to the head.
1-2 by Pacquiao. Another right hook. Another left straight. Oh, gosh. Scoring like a computer.
Yes, but one thing about Simbaon, he's not backing down.
He's not, but those are the hard points.
Oh yes, those are hard blows being connected and landed.
Yes. That's a good left there. Lumalagatok. Oh, bumawi si Simbaon doon. But, well, would like to say again, the judge's decision are the judge's decisions. Ano po? Pero nakita nyo naman kung kaninong round ito. Okay. We only have 27 seconds left, and I'm almost tempted to say Pacquiao has got it made, pero tingnan
Well, it
natin.
looks like, yes.
Iba yata mga judges. Let's see. Let's wait and see. But this has been one of the best 6-rounders tonight.
Yes. Well, mukhang pagod na rin ito si Simbaon.
Napapagod siya,
Well,
nakapagod siya sa score.
Oh. Hindi, si Simbaon, he absorbed a lot of punishment.
Dito makikita nyo ang malapistong kamay nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Ayan, ipakikilala ngayon si Manny Pacquiao na ipinagmamalaki po ng Cagayan de Oro. Siya ngayon ay based sa Malabon at gaya ng nasabi ko, fighting out of the Polding Korea stable. Ito si Manny Pacquiao, Panoorin nyo kung paano niya papakyawin ng suntok itong si Arman Rosel ng Cebu sa loob lamang ng 3 maiinit na rounds.
Pascual Ingusan. Referee, Rudy Dalisay. 8 rounds of professional boxing.
We're looking forward to 8 rounds of professional boxing. Arman Rosel of Cebu going up against Manny Pacquiao. So let's check with the Dean what these fighters' records are like.
Ronnie, this is going to be a slam bang fight. You can bet on it because Manny Pacquiao is unbeaten, has a record of 5 wins, no loss, no draw, 1 knockout. And he's going up against Arman Rosel, the Cebu brawler. And if you take a look at his physical build, you know that this guy looks like a football safety. And check out the record of Arman Rosel. 8 wins, 7 by knockout, 19 losses, 13 by knockout, and 4 draws. That only means that Arman Rosel either goes down or his opponent does.
Well,
He is one hell of a fighter, Ronnie.
Pacquiao, a taller, much taller boy, slightly built compared to Rosel. Pacquiao in white trunks, he's a southpaw, both southpaws as a matter of fact. Manny Pacquiao, stockily built in the blue trunks, and Arman Rosel rather in the blue trunks, and Manny Pacquiao in white.
This is going to be a major test here for Manny Pacquiao, and he is a southpaw. As you take a look at him trying to size up Rosel. Rosel is someone who is going to take the fight to you. But Pacquiao has some good combinations, so watch out for that. One thing about Pacquiao, he really has not been tested by a big-time puncher in the ring. He has an outstanding 5-0 record, but he has not been tested. Arman Rosel will be his first major acid test.
Okay, Rosel in the blue trunks, Pacquiao in white. Rather slow beginning to this fight, but things will pick up, no doubt, after a little while, because Rosel is a brawler. But yet there's Pacquiao with a good combination. Rosel looked in a little bit of trouble there.
And look at Manny Pacquiao trying to psych out Arman Rosel. Now, I think Pacquiao is fighting a cautious fight. I think he realizes that Arman Rosel
Does have a big punch.
does have a big punch, so he's not taking too many chances.
From long range, his shots are a little short. Clinches, he dances around.
Now take a look at the build of Arman Rosel. He's shorter than Pacquiao. Rosel is 5'3", Pacquiao is 5'5".
It looks even a little more pronounced in the ring.
Yes.
Pacquiao looks even a little...
Even taller, no?
Yeah, even taller.
But Rosel is solidly built. I mean,
Yes.
he's got muscles ripping.
He's obviously going to look for one big punch against Pacquiao. Just feeding him out. Rosel connects with the long right. Pacquiao covers up against the ropes. Rosel working to the body. Pacquiao covers up nicely. Rosel connects with the left. Pacquiao can't afford to be a little too cocky against Rosel because he's a big puncher, as Kinito mentioned. And Pacquiao with the right from under.
Now, Manny Pacquiao is only 17 years old.
He looks a kid.
24 years
He got nailed with the right.
Yes, he is very young.
Pacquiao got nailed with the right, Kinito,
Well,
and he's now covering up.
That's right. One thing about Rosel is that he's got experience on his side. He turned pro back in 1989. Pacquiao turned pro just this year.
Good left from under by Pacquiao. And he covers up. You know, sometimes he's in a little bit of trouble because his opponent is so much shorter than him. He's got to punch downwards.
Yes.
Now he threw that right and missed because Rosel was so much shorter than him.
Now, Pacquiao cannot afford to get involved in any sort of slugfest here with Rosel. He's got to be able to make good use of his reach and height advantage and punch from long distance.
End of round 1. We'll be back for round number 2 in a moment. The bell for round number 2, Arman Rosel versus Manny Pacquiao. This is a fight that's scheduled for 8 and it's going to be a tough one. Pacquiao unbeaten so far, Kinito. Very impressive young fighter.
A very cocky fighter.
Yes.
And he might pay for that because Rosel is a big puncher. Now take a look at the legs of Arman Rosel. Let's focus our attention on his legs.
His right one is thinner and shorter.
Yes, he is a polio victim, and take a look at his legs. His right leg is, as you mentioned, Ronnie, shorter and thinner, just like Dodi Boy Peñalosa's left leg is to his right.
I hope you don't get into a riot here.
Well, maybe Pacquiao is not like a Tarona.
Yes. Oh.
Now they're fighting from close range.
Oh, cracking left-right combination by Rosel. Pacquiao comes back.
And Pacquiao did connect with a nice
beautiful left from
hook.
under. Couple of lows there by Rosel. Pacquiao connected with a good punch from under, but Rosel is nailing him with good combinations. Very, very tough Arman Rosel. But Pacquiao is fighting back. Try to fight from long range.
Now
and covering up.
it's interesting, Ronnie, that both of these fighters are southpaws. They're both left-handers. And both of them are connecting from close range. But Arman Rosel, this is the kind of
yes,
fight he likes. He is connecting solidly from close range.
Pacquiao making a mistake of going in. He's getting clobbered there. A couple of good punches by Arman Rosel. And Pacquiao backed off. Throws a right from under.
Now, there's a lot of ego involved in this fight as far as Pacquiao is concerned. He can certainly just use his foot speed and stay away from Rosel's punching distance. But Pacquiao
Wants to mix it up.
Yes, wants to mix it up, but wants to be able to show the fans here that he can withstand the punching power of Arman Rosel.
That might be a terrible mistake. He got caught with another right.
It is a very big gamble on the part of the young kid. Pacquiao, remember, he's only 17 years old, very cocky. He's got an ego to protect, also an unblemished record to preserve.
He's a good little fighter, but he's got, like I said, he's got to be conscious of the punching power of Arman Rosel. And Rosel is connecting with a couple of good punches. Walking to the body and then switching to the head. And then Pacquiao. Right cross is a little short, connects with a good left. And he's trying to slug it out with Arman Rosel.
Yes,
That's the mistake he might be making, but he connects with a good right there.
And this is very much unlike Manny Pacquiao, who's more like a stylist. In his previous fights, we've known him to throw a lot of combinations, work behind the right jab. But we haven't seen it here. He's fighting from close range. And Rosel really likes the way the fight is turning out.
Pacquiao and Rosel really going after each other. Pacquiao connects with a good right. Rosel was in a little bit of trouble against the ropes there, but he comes in with a hard right from under. And Pacquiao has got him against the ropes. And it's a slugfest now. Pacquiao and Rosel, they're slugging it down to the center of the ring.
Now Rosel is
going down. Pacquiao
is hurt.
He's hurt, but he comes back with a hard right of his own. And Pacquiao is going after Rosel, and there goes the bell. End of round 2. What an exciting end to that round.
Oh, yes. Now, you notice that Pacquiao mixed his punches not only upstairs and downstairs, and that's, I think, where he was able to hurt Pacquiao, or rather Rosel, when he was able to put in some punches to the ribcage.
He got in a couple of good licks early in that round, but towards the end, he was in trouble as Manny Pacquiao nailed him with a cracking right cross there. Then you see the left, not a good right, flush on the face.
And that was a punch that hurt. And
Yes.
you notice he staggered back. And then he's going to go downstairs. He's going to throw some punches to the rib cage. Now Rosel trying to fight off the ropes, but he was clearly staggered. Did you notice, Ronnie, the way he staggered back on his heels after getting that punch flush on the butt and on the nose?
Look at this crowd. Tremendous crowd at the Mandaluyong Sports Complex, the Mandaluyong City Gym. Something that was done by the good mayor, Ben Abalos, and a long-standing friend and a very fine mayor. Pacquiao in white, Rosel in blue.
Now we're scheduled for 8 rounds, so this is going to be a long haul, but the way both these fighters are going at it, I'm not sure he will go the distance.
Rosel goes in, Pacquiao dances off the ropes very nicely, but now Rosel nails him against the ropes once again, has him against the rope. Pacquiao connects with a beautiful looping right hand. Rosel is fighting back. The thing with Pacquiao is he's getting a little careless. He really wants to knock this guy out. Now he connects with a couple of good punches.
He wants to create a big impression.
Yes, beautiful left.
He wants to put Rosel down on the canvas.
Pacquiao, thundering right hand, and a clubbing left and a right from under. Good straight right by Pacquiao. Left from under again, but Rosel is fighting back. Pacquiao has him in the neutral corner. And Rosel is in trouble. It looks like he's going down.
Rosel has very little defense to speak of, and he's wide open as he comes in. And Pacquiao is certainly taking advantage. But Rosel is fighting back.
Left from under and a right cross. Another left and a right by Pacquiao. Rosel comes back with the left of his own, nails Pacquiao, but Pacquiao with a right cross. He's got Rosel against the ropes. He's working with the body and switching to the head.
You know, what makes Pacquiao a double threat is that while he's fighting on a southpaw stance, he packs a very powerful right-hand punch.
Rosel wheeling back, thundering right by Pacquiao, and a left from under. Right to the side of the body, a 1-2 to the head.
Pacquiao really taking the initiative in this round. Rosel is trying to fight back, yes.
Pacquiao getting careless, getting caught by a couple of punches from Rosel. Wild again with the right, then Rosel connects with the left from under.
Well, Rosel, in that particular exchange, kept Pacquiao off balance. Now Pacquiao is resting. He's leaning on Rosell. Might have gotten hurt in that exchange because he's not throwing any punches.
Yes, and he looks a little tired too, but he connects with a good right.
Well, he did throw
Another hard right.
an enormous volume of punches. And here we go again.
Pacquiao, good short right. But he nearly lost his mouthpiece, then throws the left from under in the neutral corner. Rosell fighting back, but Pacquiao working to the body. Good left again by Pacquiao. Left uppercut. Rosell against the ropes in the corner. He's in trouble. Pacquiao nails him with a long looping right. And another left. They're really slugging it out, but Rosell is getting a bad beating from Pacquiao here. The crowd's roaring on its feet. The crowd is on its
Rosell is
feet.
finally down. And referee
Look at
Rudy
this
Aliza
crowd. Look at this crowd.
giving him the count. Rosell is still down. Look at that nasty lump on his
not
right
gonna get
eye. I'm not sure if
over.
Rosell is getting up. No, he has been counted out. Dalizay has counted up to 10. Rosell has lost by a knockout. Manny Pacquiao, what a spectacular victory, Ronnie. Wins and no losses. Dalawa po ang kanya knockout. Lito Laroa, 20 years old. 5-2 ang record po niya. 4-7-1 with 2 knockouts. Ito na po, si Bobby Mondejar. Yo!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our San Miguel Beer main event. Featuring in the blue corner, weighing 109 pounds, wearing white trunks with red stripes. He has a record of 6 wins, 2 by knockout, and no loss, undefeated. From Malabon, Metro Manila, Manny Pacquiao. His opponent, featuring in the red corner, weighing 109 pounds, wearing red trunks, from Tondo, Manila, Lito Laroa. Judges, Vincent Rodriguez, Captain Paul Onico, Mariano Andalo. Referee, Rudy Dalisay. 8 rounds of professional boxing.
All right, we have Lito Laroa, the young boy in red, and Manny Pacquiao, the young boy in white, with some stars as pipings.
Romito si Manny Pacquiao, originally from General Santos City. At saka si Lito Laroa, originally from Baybay, Leyte. This should be an interesting bout because ito si Manny Pacquiao has been a sensation in his young career. Kaya na ng binanggit ng ating kaibigan si Bobby Mondejar. He is undefeated 6-0 with 2 knockouts. Ito naman po si Lito Laroa, you might consider him a veteran. He turned pro 2 years ago, whereas ito si Manny Pacquiao turned pro only this year. Laroa just came back from Japan where he lost on points to Yasutaka Yamada. Yan po si Lito Laroa with 12 fights to his credit. Ito naman po si Manny Pacquiao, 6 fights lang. Panunurin po natin ito. Malalaman natin kung ipapakyaw ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito si Lito Laroa.
All right, this should be a great fight. And of course, everybody is talking about Manny Pacquiao. He's only 17 years old. And he has the potential to be a great fighter, but he has to go through the mill first. Dahil, oops, that's a slippery portion. Dahil siyempre batang 17 anyos pa lang siya. He's 17 years old. He has had 6 fights and 2 knockouts.
And Pacquiao, of course, coming from General Santos City, which is a hotbed and breeding ground of world-class professional fighters. That is the hometown of the former world super featherweight champion Rolando Navarrete.
Bad boy from the Diangas. Okay, 8-rounder po ito, and this is the first round, so they're still measuring each other. Probing round pa po. Kaliwete po, the young boy in white, that is Pacquiao. Pareho silang kaliwete.
Well, nagkakasindakan ngayon mga kaibigan, but Manny Pacquiao throwing a nice right jab. Again, Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito po si Lito Laroa. Very elusive target ito si Lito Laroa. He's not standing still. Laroa throwing also a nice nifty right jab.
Yes, and pareho silang hindi umaatras, kaya maganda po ang salpukan natin mamaya mga in the next round or third round kung magkakasakitan na po, and they are going to have their hard exchanges.
No damaging blows so far, but we have seen Manny Pacquiao sneak in a few punches to the side of the body of Lito Laroa. Pero not too much action in this round so far.
Yes,
The
Laroa
crowd
also
getting
not-
impatient dito po sa Washington Sports Complex.
That's a good right by Laroa. Maganda itong fight na ito in the second or third round. Makakasakitan na ito, and they're going to have magpapalitan na. Sa ngayon, medyo nagbabasahan pa sila.
Pacquiao with a 2.5-inch height advantage over Laroa. Again, going to the midsection.
Good shot to the side.
Yes, he is attacking the midsection of Lito Laroa, and we're talking of Manny Pacquiao, the undefeated youngster from General Santos City.
The young boy in white. What is so good about Pacquiao is he's so young and he's only 17. Malaking bagay sa kanya yan. He'll probably grow up to be a regular featherweight later on. Okay, this is the second round of our main event tonight. And we should have some more action this time.
Pacquiao still going to the midsection.
That's right, he's investing.
Whereas ito si Lito Laroa is starting to attack the head of Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, kumukombinasyon na si Pacquiao. Sa baba, sa taas. Ayan, sa baba, tapos pataas. Tignan natin kung anong reaction ni Laroa dito. Second round.
Romy, there's an air of suspense dito sa Washington Sports Complex.
Yes, everybody's expecting something to happen.
Well, the fans are anticipating a knockout victory here for Manny Pacquiao, considering that he is undefeated and is known to have a big punch. Ito si Lito Laroa, being the veteran, is not going to be a patsy for
course.
Manny Pacquiao. You can be sure of that.
He's going to time his punches also. And he also has power of his own.
Yes.
Kaya maganda ito.
Laroa has 2 knockouts in 4 victories. And Laroa that time connected with short punches to the head of Manny Pacquiao. Laroa missing with a right swing.
Well, as soon as Pacquiao, you watch out for the combination. As soon as Pacquiao finds the combination or the opening, dahil non-stop yan kung pumasok.
Pacquiao
Ring-wise.
a little careful about bringing down his guard. I think he respects the punching power
Yes.
of Lito Laroa.
Ring-wise also, kung kumilos ito si Laroa, talagang kilos veterano, marunong ng kumilos. Galing. Good fight.
Manny Pacquiao
there goes
teeing
Pacquiao.
off on Lito
And he goes,
Laroa. But Laroa turning the tables on Manny Pacquiao.
Yes. Well, actually, Pacquiao wasn't able to connect solidly there, although he had pinned Laroa for a while.
Magandang hand speed ni Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Very quick combinations.
Ito, may mga pumapasok na. Baka nasaktan na si Laroa rito. May pumasok na dalawa kanina.
Manny Pacquiao is teeing off on Lito Laroa. Laroa is just covering up now in his shell. He's not
That's right.
fighting back too much. There you go.
He's
Laroa
countering.
now is coming back.
Yes, he's countering.
Laroa
And
that
Pacquiao
time
should
connected
not
with a left
stop.
hook.
There's Pacquiao again. And he should go non-stop now. That's his style. Yes, that's it. Giving a lot of punishment now to Laroa.
And Laroa is forced to hold on. Masyadong
fight,
sporty
ha?
yung dalawang
Yeah.
boxer. They keep on touching gloves.
Maganda ito. Basta magsalpukan lang sila.
Right upper straight leg hook out. Right hook
You know,
out.
it's very rare, Romy.
Makukuha na yan,
We
ha?
have an 8-rounder for a main event, a San Miguel Pier main event.
Right upper.
However, we are making this an exception because of the exceptional record of Manny Pacquiao.
That's right.
There is a lot of interest in this boy.
Okay, let's see. tingnan natin. Wala pa instruction so far. Ito na.
Yung kinakausap ni Max Porusuelo, si Manny
Slow mo
Pacquiao.
natin when Laroa was cornered. Walang solid na connection. Ito yung he was able to extricate himself eh.
Well, under attack ito si
under
Lito
attack yun.
Laroa.
Nakalabas siya namang sumuntok ng pagdating nila sa gitna. Anyway, lamang na lamang po si Pacquiao in that round. Let's see again.
Manny Pacquiao showing very good defense at this stage. Nice hand speed, but those blows of Pacquiao landing on the gloves
Not yet. No,
of
no
the very
solid
defense
punch.
conscious Lito Laroa.
Marunong itong si Laroa. He's just taking the punches dito sa forearm niya,
Oo, at saka sa
sa
gloves
elbow
niya.
niya, sa gloves niya. Dahil kasi gusto rin niyang manghina itong si Pacquiao in the future, no? Masipag si Pacquiao.
Pero walang tumatama doon sa mga binitawan ni Pacquiao. He's not able to penetrate very good defense of Lito Laroa.
Saradong sarado.
Oo. He
Well,
should continue to go to the midsection, Romy,
That's right,
because that will bring down the guard of Lito Laroa.
in the latter minutes, yes, he should continue with his attack. Sige lang, kahit na ganon. Dahil kasi whether Laroa likes it or not, the punches later on will take effect, lalo na dito sa forearms din yan, no? Manghihina rin yan eh, sa kadarating. Magandang laban ito, malinis pa. So we're going to have a clear winner here. Right now, of course, lamang na lamang si Pacquiao sa puntos. But we can never tell later on.
Pacquiao continuing to pepper. Ayun po, a nice combination from Pacquiao. Lito Laroa again covering up.
Non-stop fighting by the
Manny,
young boy.
oh.
17 years old. Talaga nag-practice ng husto ito. Walang
And
tigil.
Laroa is just covering up. And
Yes,
there you go.
tumatiming.
He wakes up.
He slipped. He slipped. Ayan ang magulang. Tignan mo si Laroa. Kagaya ni yung nangyari kanina, tatalikod-talikod. Hindi pwede kay Laroa yun.
Medyo veterano din ito si Laroa. He has been a pro for 2 years.
I mean, that's
as
it.
compared to Pacquiao, who turned pro only early this year.
That's right. And that's it. Tumatiming nga si Laroa. Pinababayaan mo na niyang sumuntok para manghina itong batang to. He'll be spending a lot of effort sa missed, tsaka yung mga suntok na hindi naman pumapasok.
Well, remember, we are
Very
scheduled
wise.
for 8.
Yes, he's
Oo.
fighting wisely.
Ito si Laroa, tama
yes,
yun.
showing as a veteran, playing as a veteran. Although ito namang si playing as a young man.
Oo.
Talagang
Parang niroropa dope niya
Oo.
Ni Laroa yung laro.
Okay, here's slow-mo action from the previous round of our San Miguel Beer main event. This 8th rounder.
And this was the slip.
That's right, between
And
Pacquiao
almost.
and Laroa.
Almost.
inabutan.
Oh.
No, dahil kasi
Laroa was quick.
talaga naman ganun during fight time.
Oo.
Birahin mo ng birahin, hindi tatalikod-talikod. Nako, hindi pwede kay Laroa yun.
But of course, we
Okay,
asked the
moving.
question, when will Lito Laroa break out of that defensive shell?
But pinababayaan lang niya because he's waiting for the opening. At pumapasok naman siya pag may opening.
Pacquiao
May
now
kombinasyon
going to
din
the
siya
jab.
Oh. Pero tatalunin sa sipag to. Ibang bata kung maglaro eh.
Laroa,
Laroa fighting wisely, but
Yes.
let's see. I mean, those are points. The way you see it.
but Pacquiao is moving around very deftly away from Lito Laroa using that nice right jab.
That is the way to fight him now. Now he's wisened up. Now he has learned from the first 2 rounds. Na ganito pala. Then kombinasyon. Ayan o. Then nasaktan na rin siya kanina sa mga kombinasyon. Matindi din kung magbigay ito si Laroa eh.
Oh yes, oo.
Off slip.
And that's the 3rd slip of Manny Pacquiao.
Palakpakan yung mga teenager sa corner ni Laroa. Akala nila na tinamaan si
It's a very wet portion there in the corner of Lito Laroa.
That's right.
And Manny Pacquiao is keeping that right jab stuck on the face of Lito Laroa.
That's right. Throwing combinations. Although they hardly hurt. Oh, there goes Laroa coming back.
Laroa might have hurt Manny Pacquiao.
He scored with 2 shots there.
Well, Lito Laroa certainly a big test here for Manny
Sipag
Pacquiao.
ng bata. Talagang ang sipag. Super sipag.
And hand speed
Yes.
coming from Manny Pacquiao. A series of blows. A nice flurry by Manny Pacquiao.
Parang punching bag. Ginagawang punching bag ni Pacquiao ngayon si Laroa with his combinations. Look at that. He's having his way. Paminsan-minsan si Laroa tries to come back, pero masyado na siyang naiiwanan na sa puntos.
Pero maraming tira din si Manny Pacquiao. Not hitting the target, Romy.
That's true. But maybe he's landing 2 out of 5 or 6. So nauuna siya. Somehow Laroa has got to, like I said, come out more often. Hindi yung pinababayaan na lang niya si Del Bata ito eh.
Well, definitely. Pacquiao dictating the tempo
That's
of
right.
this fight so far.
Okay, we have slow-mo action here in round 4. Oh, that's the time when Pacquiao slipped in the corner of Laroa there. Hindi natin maiiwasan kasi ang basa eh. Basang-basa kasi yan sa mga iniinom na tubig, sa mga binubuhos. Ayan, yan. Yung ganyan, no? Binubuhusan ngayon si Pacquiao. That's to wake up the fighter. Okay, round 5. We are into the second half. Kumbaga PBA game, ano po? Second half na tayo at masasabi natin na lamang si Pacquiao at this time. So it will have Laroa. Laroa will just have to come back.
Manny Pacquiao really has not hurt Lito Laroa in
no
this
way.
fight.
He has not, but he has been attempting to score and he has scored
Yes, he has scored
more.
well, definitely more points than
Yes.
Lito Laroa. Nice lateral movement by Manny Pacquiao. Look at the way he eludes Lito Laroa. And he comes back with some combinations of his own.
Magaling maglaro. Matapang, may kumpiyansa.
Getting a warning from referee Rudy Dalisa, it was Lito Laroa for punching during the break. Ang bibilis ng mga suntok niya.
Yes. He is
Manny Pacquiao.
That's why he has the potential for greatness, because he can put power into his
Yes.
mitts
It's
in the
dizzying
future.
hand speed.
Yes. That's why we can bet on this young boy. By the way, Lito Mondejar and Rod Nazario earlier told me that they have given this young boy a new trainer, because he didn't have a trainer before.
Well, Max Ferruzuelo is now in the corner of Manny Pacquiao. Ferruzuelo used to fight for Lito Mondejar during his days as a world-ranked mini flyweight contender.
That's right, and so they're trying to guide to give this young boy a break. And if they bring him up right, if they're not in a hurry, this boy will develop into something.
Once more attacking the midsection of Lito Laroa is Manny Pacquiao. A nice foot speed also being shown by Manny Pacquiao.
Yes, he has everything. He has all the moves. He's
Good lateral movement.
He's kumbaga kinito, he's a rough diamond.
Yes.
He can be developed.
Ayun. Well, it looks like Lito Laroa is a little frustrated. At hindi niya natatamaan si Manny Pacquiao. Nanggigil ito si Lito Laroa. At hindi niya maabutan ito si Manny Pacquiao.
That's right.
Blow. He can be a little cocky, but he's a really good fighter. And
He's a very exciting fighter.
Mendones.
Ito si Mendones is a very experienced boxer. Now that he's fighting an 8th round, this is going to be a big test for Pacquiao. Pacquiao, of course, is undefeated, as you mentioned. Ito po si Mendones already has fought 19 fights compared to only 7 for Pacquiao. So I'm not sure if Pacquiao is ready for someone as experienced as Mendones. Mendones is just coming out a world title fight back in August of this year in Bangkok. He lost to Noon Ju,
and he borrowed the ties, and he got the tie shots.
Yes, that's right. He did fight in Thailand. He lost, however, to Noon Ju Sakcharporn by a 4th round knockout for the IBO, International Boxing Organization, mini flyweight championship. But he came right back to score a decision over Christopher Sagid, the younger brother of Chris Sagid.
You know,
Mendones.
Pacquiao, I am a little worried about Pacquiao. He's a great fighter. He's a great young boy. He's, I think, 17 or 18 years old. But he may be overmatched in this fight. I don't know.
Well, that's what we were saying, just looking at the records. Because Mendones, as we said, looks a lot more experienced than Pacquiao. But both of them are 18 years old. So both are teenagers.
Good left by Mendones. Short, clipping right hand by Pacquiao. Mendones got caught with the left and the right by Pacquiao, but he's...
Now, right now in the end fighting, Mendones throwing a lot more leather than Pacquiao.
The trouble with Pacquiao is, as I said, he's a little too cocky, Kinito, for his own good. And that, you know, it's nice to be confident and so on, but when you fight an experienced fighter like Mendones, you better watch out.
Yes. And Mendones, of course, has the former fighter Cecil Escobedo in his corner. Escobedo from Angeles City has fought some of the world's best. Frankie Duarte, Albert Davila, spent 2 years of his ring career back in the 70s fighting out of Los Angeles and Hawaii. And he is now working as a trainer in the late Grego Garcia's stable.
Oh, good combination by Mendones. Pacquiao covers up. He knows he's in a fight.
Yes.
I mean, 7 wins and no losses, undefeated. Tonight he knows this could be his first defeat against Mendones. Pacquiao is going to fight intelligent. He can't take chances. A good flurry of punches by Pacquiao. Mendones. Oh, good combination by Pacquiao. But he's fighting a little wild against Mendones. Mendones a little more methodical.
Well, Mendones is standing his ground. And you notice that he throws punches from many different angles. The mark of an experienced fighter. Yes, he got clipped. Pacquiao clipped Mendones, and Mendones almost went down. Could be a cut, no?
No. For a moment.
Yes.
Pacquiao just flicks with the right and then came thundering with the left down. He punched down like a good fighter should.
Now both fighters are just standing.
Pacquiao got caught.
Round. They're not moving. Pacquiao
going after Mendones.
Well, we've seen Pacquiao use his jabs much more often in previous fights.
Oh, good left hand. I think the cheers are because there's a prospect of a couple of round girls. Round number 2 coming up in the fight that is scheduled for 8. Pacquiao in the white trunks, Mendones in the Thai boxing pants. Fairly even first round. Probably Mendones had a slight edge.
I would think so. I thought Mendones connected with more blows, volume of punches going to Mendones' side. You see Mendones stalking Pacquiao. Pacquiao trying to work behind that right jab.
Yes, he's got a yes. Pacquiao has got a good left. He's got a powerful left. He looks very, very young. He looks like a kid.
Yes.
Although he's 18 years old.
18, yes.
Yeah.
But much more experience to see Mendones.
The way he moves, you can say that he's more experienced.
Yes.
But Pacquiao waiting, flicking the right and waiting to throw that big left of his. Good left again. Pacquiao on the rip, on the rope. Good left again. Pacquiao dances out of trouble very nicely. The crowd likes that.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful left by Pacquiao.
He connected that time.
Flash on the face of Mendones.
Yes, smack dab. There's another one. Pacquiao seems to be winning this
Oh,
round.
good combination. Oh, another good left by Pacquiao, but Mendones comes back. Pacquiao caught him with the left flash on the face. Left and right by Pacquiao, but he got hurt with the right.
Mendones fighting back. Mendones moving in.
Yes, Mendones caught him with the right and hurt him, Benito.
Yes. And that's why Pacquiao is leaning against the ropes. Pacquiao on the defensive.
Yes, Mendones caught him with the right that time and hurt him.
Now, Akan has been open, and I saw referee Silvestre Abainza raise up his fist, meaning that a...
Beautiful left.
Mendones is almost out of his feet.
He's in trouble.
Mendones
Beautiful
almost
left.
out of his feet. Rubbery leg. Oh my gosh.
What a punch.
Yes, just one blow.
One punch flash on his face.
There's blood on the nose of Mendones.
Mendones is in
could go
trouble.
down.
He could go down. Pacquiao fighting. Yes.
Mendones
The
could
referee
go
better-
down again.
Yes.
Pacquiao taking
Pacquiao
his
is,
punches. Mendones forced to hold on.
he's getting hammered.
Mendones doesn't know where he is.
He's almost down again.
Pacquiao teeing off.
Oh, Mendones is getting a bad beating. He's getting a bad beating. He's battered. He's bewildered.
Pacquiao looking
What?
for the knockout blow. He cannot seem to find the knockout blow. Mendones is hanging on. A lot of time left.
He
30
lost his
seconds to
mouthpiece.
go.
Another left. Mendones is in a whole lot of trouble.
But Pacquiao cannot
Pacquiao
seem
hit
to
him with
find.
every, he's a bloody mess.
He's looking for a coup de grace, and he cannot find
Yes,
it.
it's
Oh,
over.
he stopped it.
It's over.
Abainza
It's
has
over.
stopped the fight. And Manny Pacquiao remains unbeaten. He has survived the first big test
What a
in his
fighter.
young professional career.
What a fighter. What a young boy. This boy's got, he's got dynamite in that left.
Mendones almost out on his feet. He had to be helped back to his corner. He is a bloody mess.
Hit his face.
Manny Pacquiao.
Look at see.
Take a look at the cockiness of Manny Pacquiao.
Beautiful
And
left.
that, a well-timed left. And Mendones
Oh.
just did not know where that punch came from.
You know, the fans here have seen some sensational fights. And this boy Pacquiao, really, he's cocky, but he's good.
Well, you see the shirt of Abainza is full of blood. And take a look at another angle
Aray.
of that assault by Manny Pacquiao.
But
Well-
Mendones was game. I mean, he stood on his feet for quite some time.
Well,
he took a
yes.
battering. He took a real battering.
Well, I thought that Silvestre Abainza did the right thing.
Yes.
He did not wait for Mendones to go back down. Mendones just too strong and too brave-hearted to fall again. But he wisely called a stop to it as he saw that Mendones was
Grabe
almost
talaga.
out of
Oh,
his
look
feet.
at that. Oh.
Abainza is bloodied all over. I mean, his shirt is not his face.
This is slow-mo at its best. Director Abed Ramos, ace director.
A lot of blows being thrown by Manny Pacquiao. He was looking for the coup de grace and never got to drop Mendones once more. But coming to his rescue was referee Silvestre Abainza.
Mendones didn't know where he was.
Oh,
In the
yes.
end, yeah.
Right from that first knockdown. And some hard blows being
Oh.
thrown by Manny Pacquiao.
For a moment, I thought he might hang on in this
Yes,
round.
about 30 seconds left before
But-
the round would end.
But Pacquiao came in with beautifully timed punches.
Well, also Mendones just
Oh,
didn't have the
oh,
legs any
that
longer.
was
And that
it.
punch did it. That
That
punch
punch.
did it. And that prompted Silvestre Abainza to call a halt.
In General Santos City, Manny Pacquiao. Judges, Antonio Dulio, Mr. Pascual Ingusan, Mr. Danny Rodenas. Referee, Danny Rodenas, 10 rounds of professional boxing.
All right, this is our main event, our San Miguel main event for tonight. We have Manny Pacquiao, the
Suntok sa baba naman, bawal yan.
fast
Pag sinabi kong
rising
break, ha,
young man
magkamay kayo.
from General Santos City, and he is wearing white tonight. And we have, of course, Rolando Toyogon. Rolando Toyogon is a veteran compared to the 9 fights of Manny Pacquiao. We have Rolando Toyogon in black, and this is the first of 10 rounds. Let's go. Let's see what will happen here. Of course, Manny Pacquiao is the fast-punching young flyweight, upcoming flyweight with 9 straight wins. Here in Blow by Blow, he's considered Blow by Blow baby. He is a fast-punching machine. Tingnan po natin kung ano po mangyayari dito kay Rolando Toyogon, because Rolando Toyogon certainly has more experience than Manny Pacquiao. Although as far as let's say the physical abilities is concerned, first of all, mas matangkad po ng 5 inches si Manny Pacquiao kaysa kay Rolando Toyogon. Toyogon po ang pangalan naman, matagal na po ninyong naririnig dahil kasi po siya ay veterano na. He has had 22 fights or 23 fights, 12 wins, 9 losses, 2 draws, 2 knockouts. Ang ating pong manok, ito pong puti, ay Blow by Blow baby Manny Pacquiao, 9 straight wins, 4 knockouts. So this is going to be a big test also for our young man Manny Pacquiao dahil veterano po itong kalaban niya. So tingnan po natin. Matitindi po ang mga exchanges nila. Maganda po itong fight na ito. Here goes Pacquiao in his typical attack. Two-fisted attack po ito. Ito, nako. Mga bayo po ni Toyogon. Kung dumating po yan, matindi po. Tingnan po natin. He is from all looks, from the looks of it, Toyogon is a brawler. Even the way he is built. Talaga pong brawler, broad shoulder. Ayun, tinan mo naman ang bigay galing sa labas. Yung po ang mga brawler, ganun kung bumigay galing sa labas at marami po ang dating yan. But Pacquiao, tinan mo naman si Pacquiao, the lefty, Manny Pacquiao is scientific po ito kung maglaro. Tinan nyo naman ang mga bitiw niya ng mga right jabs. Maganda po, 5'4 and a half. 5'4 and a half po si Manny Pacquiao. 4'11 lang po itong ating veteranong si Rolando Toyogon. Makikita naman natin ang diferensya po ng height. Kaya lamang na lamang po kung paiikutan ito ng jabs bago mag-show na. Uppercut! Dalawang uppercut by Manny Pacquiao in the first round. At ito po, binibilangan na ngayon ni Referee Rodena. Susuray-suray po. Ewan ko lang kung kaya pa ito. Pauulanan na ito ngayon ni Manny Pacquiao. Here we go! With his 2 oh, saved by the bell! My gosh! 2 uppercuts, Mamigo. Left uppercut. That's the one that missed. Here's the one that connected. And another one. Yes! That's it. Flat on his back. Rolando Toyogon is round 2. Tingnan natin kung pupersahin ito ni Manny Pacquiao, Okay, he's taking his time for a young man. Oh, another uppercut! Nayanip na naman! Combination by Manny Pacquiao. He's going for the kill. All over the ring with a combination. 2-fisted attack. Hooks, uppercuts. Tingnan natin kung makukuha. Uppercut, uppercut. 2, 3 uppercut. Hindi nakuha. Dahil nakadepensa naman si Rolando Toyogon. Ang guard po niya, ito po, pinipilit ni Manny Pacquiao. Medyo relax lang. This is only the second round. Hindi naman kailangan apurahin to Okay, but he is punishing Toyogon with those shorts. Uppercut and look, that's another uppercut. A left uppercut, another left uppercut. But it all missed this time. Well, this one grazed the chin. Another left uppercut that missed. A right hook that missed. A right hook. Let's see, panay short ang binibigay. There's a left jab. Left jab by Manny Pacquiao, giving an exhibition of boxing here. There's a left straight, an uppercut, another hook, an uppercut. Oh, there's a left, boom, left hook, uppercut. Hindi, walang tumatamang masyado. Sinusundan, pinipilit ni Manny Pacquiao na tapusin na si Toyogon ngayon, but Toyogon is putting up a good defense there. He's in a shell, hindi basta-basta mapasok. Mga doon, the hook to the body. Wala pa rin. Okay, bumabawi si Toyogon. Ayun, bumabawi sa ilalim pero hindi siya tumatama. Tumatiming ngayon si Manny Pacquiao. Measuring him with his left jab. Manny Pacquiao measuring again. Left jab. Pagkatapos magbibitiw ngayon ng mga kombinasyon ng uppercut, left hook. Tingnan natin dahil ang pambato niya ngayon sa gabing ito ay ang kanyang left uppercut na kanina nga. Ayun, inapot siya ng kaliwa. Dalawang kaliwa ni Toyogon. Bumalik si Toyogon. All right, there's a right hook, a left uppercut again, a hook. Oh, there's a good left to the chin. Ito na naman, pumasok na naman si Pacquiao. Uppercuts. All uppercuts, deadly uppercuts. Bumabawi si Toyogon. Right jab. Okay. Right jab din. Measuring muna. Umu-open na yun. Mga left uppercut ang pambato na ginagamit ni Manny Pacquiao ngayon against Toyogon. Oh, fantastic job. Si Toyogon is about to give up. There's a jab to keep him off. Jab to keep him off again. Measuring. Trying for an opening. All right. Piston-like jabs by Manny Pacquiao. Ayun, uppercut, jab, uppercut, hook. Yan ang kombinasyon niyang ginagamit ngayon ang Toyogon, but he has missed most of it. Toyogon just defending. Wala yun. Ayun, dalawang shots to the body by Toyogon. Toyogon putting up a good fight. He's not about to run away from Manny Pacquiao's. Oh, a right hook there. Hindi masyadong tumama. Uppercut, left uppercut. A magandang left jab, but that was only a left jab. Bawi, left jab. Good attack by Manny Pacquiao, and Toyogon was able to hold his own there, although he was definitely hurt. All right, round 3 coming up. It has been Manny Pacquiao all the way. Medyo pinipilit niyang kunin si Toyogon, ano? His main weapon has been the left uppercut. Ang left uppercut po niya, which connected in the first round, and Toyogon was flat on his back. Well, Manny Pacquiao so far putting up an exhibition, a display of great boxing here. Toyogon is not about to give up. He is also giving his own legs. Oh, that's a left uppercut again by Manny Pacquiao. Shorts to the body of Toyogon. Toyogon naman ay medyo maiksi nga siya. Ay medyo shorter. He's having a hard time getting in. And Manny Pacquiao working well behind his jab. Well, Toyogon attacking, a two-fisted attack by Toyogon there. Pero wala pong tumama. Kaliwa. Dalawang uppercut ni Manny Pacquiao, walang tumama. Right uppercut also, he's jabbing his way again, looking for an opening, a left straight that didn't land at all. Maganda po ang pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao. And Toyogon is not about to give up. He is also in good shape, so he's fighting back. Nakakalamang nga po si Manny Pacquiao dahil siya po ay mas mahaba ang wrist. Ayun, kaliwati naman. Medyo nayanik si Manny Pacquiao. Dalawang kaliwa na ang tumama sa kanya. Isa pang uppercut pero hindi masyadong nasa pole. Nakikipagsabayan si Manny Pacquiao. Toyogon also putting up his own legs. Hindi naman umatras si Toyogon. Laban si Toyogon. Matapang na bata rin ito si Toyogon. Kaya sabi niya, ikaw sumisikat ka. Tingnan natin kung talagang makukuha mo ako ngayon. Yan ang Toyogon is trying to challenge Manny Pacquiao because Manny Pacquiao is trying his best to put Toyogon away. Medyo dahan-dahan lang dahil 10 rounds ito. This is our San Miguel Beer main event. This is Blow by Blow coming to you from the Isabelo de los Reyes Sports Complex dito po sa Pipa Redes, Sampaloc, Manila. Ito, may exchange po sila. Ito na, pero wala pang tumatama sa kanilang mga exchanges, pero maririnig nyo naman ang boilo ni Manny Pacquiao. Talagang parang si Mark Israel kung pumorma minsan. Okay, here we go. Toyogon. Galing din ni Toyogon, hindi talaga umatras. Lumalaban din si Toyogon, kaya Manny Pacquiao has a good fight in his hands. So has Toyogon. Toyogon with a good shot to the body, a left hook, but medyo napaatras si Manny Pacquiao doon. He was pulling away, so the impact. Oh, good left by Toyogon that snapped back the head of Manny Pacquiao, but Manny Pacquiao just didn't bother with it. Tuloy pa rin siya. Left straight by Manny Pacquiao, left by Toyogon. Umikot si Manny Pacquiao, inalisan. Lumayo siya. Okay, there's the ring. This is our San Miguel Beer, Manny Pacquiao, Rolando Toyogon main event. There's a left uppercut. Dalawa. Oh, tamo nun nakita. Nayanik talaga si Pacquiao doon. Yung kanan ni Toyogon kanina. Slow mo po ito ng round 3 natin. Okay, and we're up to our next round now. Manny Pacquiao, of course, the young boy in white. We have Rolando Toyogon in black. At so far, maganda po ang fight nila for the past 3 rounds. Manny Pacquiao trying to dominate pero hindi po naman umatras si Toyogon. Kaya sabi ni Toyogon, lapitan mo ako, matirang matibay, sabayan tayo. Ayun po, sumasabay nga si Toyogon. Ito, kombinasyon na, kaliwat kanan, talagang ginugulpi ka nga. Ginugulpi. Trying to, excuse me, Manny Pacquiao is trying to dominate the action pero hindi umatras nga. Like I said, nakikipagsabayan din si Toyogon, so matira ang matibay. Look at that. Look at that. Left straight na tumama sa forehead kanina. Uppercut ni Pacquiao. Nakikita mo naman, measuring with his left jab. Measuring, forever measuring. Pagkatapos kombinasyon na yun. Kombinasyon, umpisa ng kombinasyon niya is the left uppercut after a right jab. Kanina pa po yung kombinasyon na yan. Kaya nga po dahil sa kombinasyon niya, diyan po napabagsak na si Toyogon. Pero si Toyogon nga, ilang beses ko na po sinasabi na hindi umaatras. Nakita nyo naman, his 2 feet are planted, is willing to go. Ready, willing, and able to go against Manny Pacquiao. Yes. Manny Pacquiao measuring with his jab. Trying to make an opening. Pagkatapos sumusunod siya ng kaliwa kagad. Mostly left uppercut ang kanyang pambato ngayon. Left uppercut naman si Toyogon. Very short dahil kasi nga mas mababa siya eh. Dalawang shots ni Manny Pacquiao masyado yatang malapit yun mula sa boilo. Kaya hindi masyadong tumama. Masyado namang malayo yung uppercut na yun. Ayun, maganda. Left jab and straight. Left jab and straight found their mark. Sa puntos lang po pinaliliguan po si Toyogon. Pero patay ang laban ni Toyogon dito eh. Lumalapit din po siya. Hindi po siya umaatras. Kita nyo naman, di siya umaatras. Pagpasok ni Manny Pacquiao, he tries to get inside. Kaya lang mabilis si Manny Pacquiao. And Manny Pacquiao, of course, is 6 years younger than Toyogon. There we go. Manny Pacquiao pressing, forcing the action. Throwing lethal combinations. Pero yung karamihan po, hindi pa tumatama. Ito, yung mga ganyan, short siya palagi. Dahil nakaka-atras na si Toyogon pagdating ng kaliwa niya. Although puruhan na po niya kanina si Toyogon ng kanyang left uppercut. That was in the first round. But hasn't been able to follow up and we are now in round 4. Okay, pero lamang na lamang po sa puntos itong si Manny Pacquiao. Ayan po. Ayan. Bigay ng bigay pero ito tumatawa si Toyogon. Pumapasok din si Toyogon. Hirap na hirap siya dahil mababa nga siya pero eto tumatawa pa siya. Hala, sabay tayo, sabi niya. Sige, baka kala mo atrasan kita. Matapang din itong si Rolando Toyogon. Great fighter also. Back to studios. Oh, what a great shot. Congratulations, Direct June. That is P. Paredes Sports Complex. Actually, it is the Isabelo de los Reyes Sports Complex along P. Paredes in Sampaloc, Manila. Sampaloc, Manila. Malapit po ito. Ito pong P. Paredes. Kaya kabisado ko po ito mula nung bata pa ako. Tabi po ito ng UST. Alright. Okay, there is... Oops. Mabilis yata yun na fast forward. Okay, this is a slow-mo of the last round action. Round 5, Manny Pacquiao and Rolando Toyogon in our San Miguel Beer main event. This is blow by blow. Romy Quintana po, naghihintay po. Hinihintay ko pa po ang aking partner na si Chino Trinidad. Sabi ni Mark Israel, Chino went with the group to the San Lazaro Hospital. Ito, pressing the attack, Rolando Toyogon. Pero bumabawi naman si Manny Pacquiao. A series of 5 punches there pero walang nakumonect, walang ito nakanan but he was able to roll away from the punch. Umaatake, sumasayaw. Yan ang gusto ko, sumasayaw, umaatras pero nag-iiwan. Ayun, habang umaatras si Manny Pacquiao, meron siyang jab na iniiwan. Yan ang maganda dyan pagka umaatras ka, ganyan ang atras dapat. Ayan, tapos ayan, kombinasyon kung pwede, hindi, naunahan siya. Ayun, laban. Gandang laban dahil kasi gusto ni Manny Pacquiao na kukunin si Toyogon hindi naman pumapayag si Toyogon, gusto makipagsabayan. Matapang Rolando Toyogon putting up with Manny Pacquiao. 9 straight wins, blow by blow baby. We are now in round 5. Fast-paced action. All right. Okay, Chino is by my side now. Chino can pick up anytime. So far, Chino, Manny Pacquiao has dominated the action. There was a first round, naka-knock down si Manny Pacquiao with the left uppercut kaninang first round. Pero si Toyogon, like the previous fights dito, ay hindi umaatras. Siya ay sumasabay. Okay, Chino is trying to rest up here. He has been through quite an experience, probably with the group there. Anyan na muna si Chino, ha? Okay. Manny Pacquiao backing up, backing away, jabbing his way to keep away Rolando Toyogon. Ayun, sumasabay pa rin si Rolando, hindi umatras, bobbing and weaving in front of Manny Pacquiao. Ayun, ang layo naman ng he tried a hook, ano, pero masyadong malayo. Roundhouse kasi. Okay. Nahihirapan talaga si Rolando Toyogon sa pagpasok dahil kasi kailangan nasa loob siya para makascore siya. Manny Pacquiao biding his time, umaatras siya. Yan, tama rin yan. Okay, nakadalawa si Rolando Toyogon doon. Uppercut that missed by Manny Pacquiao. Ayun, apat puntos yon, lahat tumama, lahat. Kaya lang walang matinding dumating sa mukha, no? Okay, that is the end of our round. Manny Pacquiao, Rolando Toyogon, San Miguel Beer main event. At ang action po naman natin dito, umaatikabok mula pa ng first round. Tuwan-tuwa po ang amin pong standing room only crowd here. And we are now in our second half. Second half na po tayo, kumbaga sa PBA, ano po. At action hasn't changed. Pacquiao still trying to dictate the fight. Pero ngayon ay sumusugod na po si Rolando Toyogon. Kaya Manny Pacquiao is trying to keep away from him with jabs as he dances away. Okay, galing. Very good. He slipped that one. And Rolando Toyogon pressing the fight, forever pressing. There is a left uppercut, two left uppercuts that missed. Dito mama, no? Ayun. Left straight. Pacquiao backs away. Yan ang tamang-tama kasi as you back away, mag-iiwan ka ng jab. Yan ang ginagawa ni Manny Pacquiao. And remember, Manny Pacquiao has only won 9 fights, ha? 9 fights. And he has scored 4 knockouts in 9 fights. Samantala si Rolando Toyogon po has had 23 fights. 23 fights na po and he has scored 2 knockouts. Kaya hindi po umatras. Mula kanina, kaya maganda po ang fight nila dahil si Manny Pacquiao is trying to score a knockout, trying to make an impressive win. Kaya si Rolando Toyogon naman ay hindi po mapayag na siya gugulpihin. Kaya ito po, napakaganda po ng laban namin. Pulang-pula na po ang mukha ni Rolando Toyogon dahil kasi nga sila, gaya na sinasabi ko, mula kanina pa pinaliliguan sa ni Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao is not marked yet. He is defending very, very well. Although Toyogon is forever pressing, hindi nga umaatras. Ayan, kahit na hindi siya sumusuntok, nasa harap siya ni Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao straight, left, throwing everything against Toyogon, pero wala namang solid connection. Kaya maganda, impressive po yung action, pero wala pong solid connection, so wala pa pong nayayanig. Rolando Toyogon taking everything from Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao left straight, combination of 3, 4, tatlo sunod-sunod na uppercuts. Sige lang, pasok pa rin si Toyogon. Great fight coming up, and great fight it has been because both fighters are willing to give it their all. And of course the upcoming fighter Manny Pacquiao trying to dominate. Kanina pa yan, he's trying to dominate pero ayaw ibigay ni Rolando Toyogon. Rolando Toyogon doing his best to fight back. Alright. Ganun pa rin, no? Dalawang hooks yun. Masakit yun, ha? Although part of it was taken by the forearms. Malayo pang masyado yata yung mga left jab straight ni Manny Pacquiao. Medyo wala sa